Today's lawn mowing day. We're working with a YardMan push mower here. And this one is a 159cc with a PowerMore engine. They used to have Honda engines on these, but not anymore. It's a pretty good lawnmower. This is the second season I've been using it, and it's worked pretty well. Takes about a full tank of gas to do the size lawn that I'm doing. So this one costs about $200. It's a middle of the line or bottom of the line model. So today we're just gonna turn her around and get her started. Whoops. Probably not good sound. Usually it starts on the first pull. all those clumps of grass. Oh, pain in the ass. Starting up again. Okay, so we are done with the grass, and I forgot to mention that this thing is a 21 or 22 inch deck, and it ran pretty good. It only stalled out that one time that I got on camera, and that was because it was a discharge problem that I have with this particular YardMan Lawnmower. There's a plastic thing that goes under here, but it always gets forced out. It doesn't stay on. You can see all the buildup happens over there, and it's really messy. And that tends to want to stall out the lawnmower because there's no throttle control up here. So it also comes with the back basket here, but I don't use that because I don't really like it. So, and that's that. And overall, I'd say this lawnmower does a pretty good job. If you could get it for $200 or less, I would go for it. It's already paid for itself versus what it would cost to hire some goof to do the lawn for me. So I'd recommend just a basic model. You don't really need the self-propelled version or anything. That's just more stuff that's going to break. So, that's about it. Now I got to turn this over and clean all the grass from the bottom, because I do live in a very rainy climate, and it tends to clump. And also, in fairness to the discharge problem, I do wait 2 to 3 weeks in between mowing the lawn. So, and it does rain a lot here as well, so I mean, it's not all the lawnmower's fault. Okay, so now we're just gonna chill, and it's time when we get to kick back, have a nice beverage, and take a look at the wonderful job of lawn mowing we did.